Hey guys, welcome back to IT Contents channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install VMware Workstation Pro or VMware Fusion in case you're on Mac. And in case you missed it, VMware is now free for all the Pro versions. So this was made free, and now I'm going to show you how you can install it and start using it. So the first thing that you want to do is go to your browser, and from your browser here you just want to search download VMware. From here you want to click Fusion and Workstation, so you can just click the first link. So once you're on this screen here, you just want to click download now. So once you click download now, you will see that will open up Broadcom. So this is a company that acquired VMware. So from here you want to log in, but since you don't have an account, you want to come here at the top, click login, and you want to click here where it says register, and then you just want to follow the prompts of email and follow the prompts here. So once you are logged in, so let me just quickly log in. So once you log in, this is a dashboard that you are going to see here. So once you're here, what you want to do is you want to click here where it says my downloads. So from here you just want to give it a second to load, and then once it's on this screen here, you want to click this link here which says free software download. You want to click on that. So once you click on that, you'll notice that now from here we'll be given all the products, as you can see. So you want to look for VMware. For example, there's VMware Workstation Pro in case you are on Windows, and you have VMware Fusion here at the top in case you're also on Mac. So there's other VMware tools that you can use here as well. These are all free. So for example, if you clicked on VMware Workstation Pro, you'll notice there's different versions here for Windows and Linux depending on the platform you're using. So here, for example, we want to download the latest one here at the top for Windows. I can just click on that. You will see there's a version number here. You just want to click on that. So for example, here if I click download, so if your download doesn't start like the way mine has started, you'll see they'll ask you to accept some terms and conditions. So you want to click on the terms and conditions, which will take you to on a different screen. And then once you're on that different screen, you can just go back and click download, and then it will start downloading. So as you can see, mine is downloading here. I'll cancel it since I already have it installed. So once you double click on the install file, you have your VMware Workstation Pro up and running. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow the channel for more tips like this. See you in the next video.